In today's video, I am going to be sublimating on this Five Below blanket. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kid craft videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so here we go, trying another blanket, but this one's super cute. So this one, I bet you thought that you could only make a blank blanket without design work, but you were wrong. So I'm just opening it. Sorry. I like that these Five Below blankets come with these little straps so you can tie them back up again. I'm going to be personalizing it with names on it, and we're just going to put it all over the blanket, but in between where the butterflies are. I have no plan as to how I'm going to do this, just that there's going to be names all over it. So we're going to start with putting our blanket on here. Man, this blanket is gorgeous. I have a thing for butterflies, so I think it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So we're going to start with pre-pressing our blanket to get all the moisture out and to make sure that we have less a chance of ghosting. So I'm going to press it for 10 seconds. I think that might be a little too much pressure, so I'm just going to loosen it a tiny bit. So when you're doing blankets, you want to make sure that the fur is going the right way. So not like this, you know, where it looks all, you see that? Not like that. Make sure it's going the right way. So we're also going to lint roll. So we pre-press to get the moisture out, then we lint roll to get all the lint off so that the lint doesn't turn blue when we do sublimation. So then you want to decide which way you're going to put the blanket, like the names, and just stick to that being the right way. So I think I'm going to put... So I'm doing this for my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. So I have some that say Nana, because that's what my daughter calls her. And then I have some that say Mom. So let me separate those. I'll use Mom in the smaller places, and then I'll use Nana in bigger places. So Mom can probably go like right here. And then I'm going to take my heat tape. This heat tape is from Amazon, so it's this dispenser. You always, take my word, get a dispenser when you have heat tape, because if not, girl or sir or whatever, let me tell you, it makes life easier. This is a good like Mother's Day gift, because it's personalized, but it's still affordable, you know. So then we're going to take butcher paper and press down for 60 seconds. Okay. The butterflies even show up on the butcher paper. And it is vibrant. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to keep moving it and putting it in random places. But this is how it looks. You can see it perfectly. I really just want it to be pretty random. saw in the b-roll how this turned out. It's cute, it's super simple, didn't take too long. It probably took, I don't know, 40 minutes or so to press all the names. I just wanted all the names to be super random. I think it's really cute. I love this blanket. Like, I just love the colors in it. Like, they're so beautiful. So if you see a patterned blanket and there's like lighter shades in it where you can sublimate names on it, don't be afraid to get it. Go ahead and try it out and see how you like it. Like, look at this. It's cute. It's a good, affordable, personalized gift. Mother's Day is coming up, Father's Day. So people love personalized gifts. So it's a cool way even to just do it for yourself. I absolutely love how it turned out. And if you love sublimation videos, please check out my sublimation playlist. I have other videos on sublimating on blankets in different ways and different types of blankets. So check those out. I'll have some of them linked up above in the cards, but check out my playlist. If you want to know any of the products I use, those are always linked down below in the description for you guys. And tag me on Instagram or message me. I always love hearing from you guys. I love reading your comments, so comment down below. Let me know if you try this out, if you love Five Below blankets, or where you love getting your blankets from for sublimating. Dollar General has pretty good ones too for $10 and less, so check those out. Maybe one day I'll do those.